I tried cooking breakfast from scratch. So this is how it looks at the end. So screenshot these ingredients. So we take an onion first and slice it into moons. So once they are ready, they'll all try to run away or dance. Try to discipline them like your parents did. Or let them just have fun like you would do. At least they have friends to have fun with. My friends don't have time for me anymore. So take some red kidney beans and boil them so that they would be soft like that as I'm showing it in. The camera's angle is a bit off, please adjust. Add some salt, then add some pepper. Now after that, mix it well, and after adding some freshly ground pepper, add some flour so that the boiled the boiled red kidney beans would be all dry and fluffy to get baked. Transfer it to a baking pan, line it with a baking paper and bake it for 20 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius. Now take some brown onions, grind it to powder. We'll use it for the sauce. Take a bowl, take some warm veggie stock and mix it with this onion powder. So your base stock is ready. You just add some flour to it and make your gravy. So take a pan, add some oil, put in your onions, then let it fry for a while, then add your veggies. My veggies look fine now, so all these are frozen veggies. They'll just look dry when you wash it. Now they look fine as they are thawed. So if you have time, thaw them first and then use it. So I also added salt in there, sautéed it. The middle part burnt a little, so I'll let that be. I added mushrooms. My mushrooms look sad because I cut them a long while ago. Now I'm adding some corn. Just mix it all up. It looks yummy. Add any vegetable of your choice. Oh, my beans are ready. They are crispy and crunchy. I love them. So take a pan, add some butter. Be generous. Add some plain flour. Now, once this flour turns brown, you'll just add your brown onion and vegetable stock mix in there, and once it thickens, it will become your gravy. I just love vegetables and those sweet flavors. If you bake them, it will be a different flavor. If you boil them, it will have a different flavor. So the mix of all these flavors is just my favorite in this English breakfast. So for mashed potato, I boiled some potatoes and tried to mash them. While mashing, you can add any flavoring, any seasoning of your choice, but salt and pepper are the basic ingredients that go in. And you add a bit of cream, or you can add a bit of hunkered if you like. I'm just adding a dash of milk, classic, basic. So just add that and add soft butter. I'm just adding hard butter as the potatoes are still hot. Just have some patience and add a soft room temperature butter. That's our mashed potato. It's ready. So let's plate them all together and your English breakfast is ready. And that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.